In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I fixed Albion Online game login error. So what we need to do firstly is to close the Albion Online game app and instead go to your settings app on your phone here, as you can see. Scroll down and then click on general and then click on storage right here, as you can see. Now what we need to do, we need to wait a couple of seconds for it to load all of the apps that we have on our phone here, as you can see. So if it takes some time, don't worry, this is very normal. Now when it's done, click on search up here, search for Albion here, Albion Online. As you can see, click on Upload App, and once again in here, click on Upload App. Just wait a couple of seconds now for it to load. So we're just gonna wait a couple of seconds for it to load now, and then after a while you will be able to see reinstall app here, as you can see. So just click on it, and sometimes you have to click on it 2 times, by the way, just to force it to update, and you can see it says loading now here. So what will happen now is that you will get the absolute most up-to-date version of Albion Online app, which you need to be able to have if they actually release like a new update. This is very good to do. And after that, you can just go to the app and try once again. So try and see if you can log in. If you still cannot log in, then you need to basically reset your password, because if that is the case, that you forgot your login details, you can of course try to reset those as well. So hopefully you will be able to fix it.